Boy.
Fuck, nigga, don't know. But that's how you know I be fucking these bitches up, boy.
Boy, you tripping, boy.
I ain't finna show you my whole shit, man. This is the Melvin store, nigga. Everything 50% off in this bitch.
Boy. You tripping, boy.
You ain't never eat. Nigga, you ain't never had a bake auntie. When she come home. hey, Ed. Hey, catch up. You remember these bitches, Ed? Boom, you bring them bitches back?
They supposed to have the blueberry was in that bitch.
I grew out the blueberry ones.
I'm finna go get them. They supposed to have the blueberry ones in that bitch, man. You sleep, man.
But one thing about you, bro, you don't know nothing, so I'm not talking to you.
Hey, what you over there? What is you over there cooking? You over got chili. You got chili and shit. What you over there cooking?
Bro, I don't want to talk to you.
Man, Ed, what this nigga got? What? Hey, man, what the fuck Ed them got going to Goon? What's up, man? Goon, what you ain't fucking with me, man? What's up? I heard Goon ain't fucking with me. What's up, man?
What's up? So I come over there and beat the shit out of you.
We not talking to you.
And then Goon ain't fucking with me. Ed ain't fucking with me. Ed just sitting there looking in the camera and shit, ugly ass. You been there.
Okay,
this nigga Ace trying to have a cooking show and shit. He nigga do not know how to cook.
Who don't know how to cook? You see, I got this shit going crazy over here. I don't know what the fuck.
Hey, look at this lame man nigga right here.
Get that shit phone. Get that shit phone.
Bro, I ain't fucking with you, bro.
What's up, Bad Street?
That boy ain't in the truck.
You say what?
I'm just on this bit cooking and shit like that.
I ain't trying to beef with you today, bro.
Just vibe. You see this little formula right here I got going on?
What that is?
Something you enjoy your life. Enjoy your
Hey,
life.
Goon.
Yeah.
Hey, Goon.
Yeah.
What you on?
Enjoy your life.
That's my new shit right there on God.
Hey, I ain't fucking with these niggas, bro.
Who told us to enjoy your life?
Hey, you shut the fuck up before I come over there and beat you.
That target that dog. That dog ain't got no motherfucking home training.
My dog worked more than your ass.
That dog ain't got no home training.
My dog worked more than you, bitch.
That dog don't take no bath.
My dog like
take
more
no
prayer than
motherfucking
yours.
bath. Filthy ass dog. You wash your dog with dish detergent, motherfucker.
Oh, you ranking and shit?
You sure you watch your dog with dish detergent?
What did you, let me see it, man.
Bro, you can't even drink. Bro, you can't even drink out your own bottles in your own house, bro. You can't do that, bro.
Okay.
Man, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
That's that shit there.
Okay, yeah, alright. But how you gonna tell me, bro? I pay the bills in my shit, boy. I been drinking out the bottle. Even when I was young and everybody used to drink out the cup of shit, I drink out the thing like this. And I put that in the refrigerator on everybody there. And make it. You want living like that. See, this is what I drink nowadays, bro.
I don't be on that shit, but I still drink Zephyr. I still drink Zephyr Hill.
No, you don't.
Zephyr Hill right here. Hey, Goon.
Yeah.
Man, what you over there cooking, bro? Let me see them tacos, bro. Let me see your tacos, man.
Boy, these ain't no regular tacos, bro. You can't see this.
That Goon cooking too?
They got Goon cooking, man. You know something going
I
on
ain't
over
fish
there.
though. This shrimp tacos though.
Man, that dry ass shit, man. What a lettuce
With
at?
rice and the beans.
Man, that nigga Goon fucking Mexican.
I look like.
Then Goon got refried beans over there and shit.
Y'all boys,
True.
get off my fucking line.